So today we're making our basic sugar cookie, and you're gonna need 1 stick of butter, 2/3 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, and combine it all get together with a mixer. Now we're gonna add our flour. It's 1 cup of flour. We're gonna add in a little bit at a time though. So let's give it a mix. Ooh, it's smoky. Add in some more flour. And all the rest of the flour. Combine it together again. It's gonna look kind of grainy. Our dough is ready. We're going to start making balls and putting them on the cookie sheet. So we got them all rolled out. Now we're going to smush them down like so. Smush them down, smush them down, smush them down, smush it down. Okay. So now we're going to drop some sprinkles on them. But you get the idea. We're going to put some sprinkles on them. We got them all sprinkled out. So we're going to put them in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. Basic cookie. There you have it, you guys. Basic sugar cookie, soft sugar cookies.